In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an urgent email in Gmail. We all know that sometimes we have urgent matters that require immediate attention, and sending an email with the right urgency can help ensure it's prioritized by the recipient. Let's walk through the process together, and by the end of this video, you'll be equipped to communicate your urgent messages effectively. To start, open your browser and navigate to Gmail. Once you're logged in, look for the Compose button, usually located on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it to open a new email window. This is where you'll draft your urgent message. It's important to figure out an attention-grabbing subject line. Your subject should be concise yet clear enough to convey urgency. Words like urgent, action required, or immediate response needed can be highly effective. Keep it specific so the recipient knows exactly what needs their immediate attention. Now, let's move on to the body of your email. Make sure to start with a greeting that suits the level of formality appropriate for the recipient. Then, dive straight into the reason for the urgency. Be clear and detail what you need from the recipient without getting too bogged down in unnecessary details. For example, if there's a deadline approaching or a critical decision that needs making, state that up front. The goal here is to make it easy for the recipient to quickly understand the situation and what you require from them. Consider using bullet points or numbered lists in the email body if you have multiple action items. This helps to structure your message and makes it easier for the recipient to follow up on each item. Although Gmail doesn't have a specific feature to mark emails as urgent, you can take advantage of formatting options like bold or italic text to emphasize key points. When wrapping up, you might want to reiterate the urgency of the email and thank the recipient for their prompt attention and response. Now that your email is composed, let's go over how you can enhance the urgency through settings. If it's crucial for your email to land at the top of their inbox, consider using the Gmail extension Boomerang or similar tools to schedule your email for optimal hours when it's most likely that the recipient will see it promptly. Additionally, if an even more direct action is needed, following up your email with a quick message via a different medium, such as a text or chat app, can ensure that the recipient knows you've sent an important and urgent email. Finally, press send. As a final check, you might want to ensure that the email has been sent successfully by reviewing your sent items folder. And that's it. Sending an urgent email in Gmail, when done properly, can effectively ensure your message receives the prompt response it deserves. Make sure to only use this strategy under genuine urgent circumstances to maintain its effectiveness. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you in getting your urgent matters attended to more efficiently.